I'm thinking we want to shuffle the pieces on the weather board this week. You know, we're going to have a little something of everything. Why not get the snow right now?
Right.
People are on vacation. They want to enjoy it. So if we're going to get 6 inches, maybe more of snow Friday, get it now. Then you get the 60 degrees, and those that don't want it say bye-bye.
Unfortunately, it doesn't work this way, but I don't disagree with the overall argument. It's weird. Like, I should be more excited about this week's weather because it really is everything.
Yeah.
But it doesn't have a strong theme, and I think a guy likes a theme. I mean, remember when I hit on that blizzard for like a week? That was,
we remember.
Yes, we lost so many viewers over that. There's no real theme, no cohesive feel to this week. So we're going to go through it. We're going to start with the fact that it was mild today in the 50s, 52 in Portland, 52 in Sanford. I'm not appearing, but there we go, 49 in Bangor for a high temperature. We lost the rest of the viewers just then, Pat. That was when I popped in like that. Our next storm system is just a warm front, cold front combo that's going to come through tomorrow night. But because of the moisture it has, intersecting with some colder air ahead of it, we will have some mixed precipitation. But before we get to that, tonight is quiet. Temperatures drop into the 30s, but a lot of the night is spent into the 40s. And tomorrow's just generally a cloudy day. Most of the day is fine. Now, the models are going back and forth a little bit on the exact timeline in which the first wave moves in. Originally, they had it about 7 o'clock. That moved up to about 4 o'clock. So we'll say late afternoon, early evening tomorrow is when this first round moves in. And this is the round that matters because it's going to come into that colder air mass initially. So we'll see some sleet, maybe some freezing rain in there as well. Eventually that rain-snow line, or rain-sleet line, I should say, will get pushed inland through the evening, and by midnight it'll be scoured out almost across the entire state, that cold air. And temperatures will be in the mid-upper 40s. It'll be raining on Tuesday night into early Wednesday. And Wednesday morning we end with some showers, and we get a brief shot at 60, I think Wednesday afternoon. I think we get there in a good part of southwestern and central Maine. I think 60 we get to, maybe 61, 62 if we're feeling lucky. And then watch how quickly temperatures drop. So if we go from about 60 down into the teens, it'll be a 45-degree drop in about 12 hours. Now, as far as that mixed precipitation tomorrow, I don't think we're going to see a ton of ice around, but it is worth noting we could see an icy coating if you're anywhere in this pink area here, and even all the way to the coastline. Briefly, there could be some freezing rain and sleet, and then we'll change over. All right, our next storm system after that, guys, is a snowstorm, snow event on Friday. It's progressive. It's relatively quick moving, but it still snows through most of the day Friday, which means I think that's a 6+ inch storm for a lot of the state on Friday. Even I shall not put a map out yet. Tomorrow we should be able to have one though and give you a good idea, but I would just really, I wouldn't even pencil that in. I'd ink that in on Friday because it has been there for a while. It just isn't a blizzard. It's not a big storm that people get excited about, but I think it could be, you know, like if I had to make a map today, it's a 6 to 12 inch deal, so it's significant for sure.
And snow event sounds very show busy, so I think that's great.
The snowstorm just sounds scarier than I think this is going to be, so I was trying to find the right word.
Thank you, Keith.